As we are watching markets bounce this morning, let's take a look under the hood with our Jared Blikre on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Good morning, Jared.
Good morning. Trying to open up the front here on the Wi-Fi Interactive. And the S&P 500, we are getting a bounce back here, but the big question on investors' minds, is this just a dead cat bounce? And basically everything we've seen this year has been exactly that. It's just a question of how high the bounce has been. The last one we had was right before I went on vacation last week. That was that big Fed bounce, and we should have had continuation. It looked like the market wanted to go higher on that, wasn't able to do that. So we are stuck with high volatility, and I'll tell you what, we are probably due for a flashy short covering rally. Could be a rip your face off rally if that's what you want to call it. We've seen some action perk up in the meme stocks. I'm writing about this today on our website. It's going to be posted later. Here's the SIBO Volatility Index. That's still elevated at 30. But I think even if we were able to manage a rally to two highs or even nominal new highs, probably going to be short-lived because we really haven't seen the capitulation in the majors. That would be the mega caps. So now we're looking at the sector action for today, energy and the forefront. That's up over 2%, XLE. Also taking a look at consumer discretionary, financials, tech, and materials. All of those are outperforming. All of those up more than 1%. Staples a big laggard there, but we've seen this before. We've seen these flashy one-day moves, and is there going to be capitulation? I want to point everybody to what I'm going to show here. Here's a 52-week high. This is a percentage return off 52-week high. We can see Apple down 21% there. Amazon's off 42, Facebook off 50, but until we see that capitulation in Apple, and I think it has to go down 30%, and you look at the price action in the bar chart, you know it when you see it, I don't think this is quite over.
Jared, speaking of ripping faces off, that's the vibe still in crypto land. Do you think we're nearing a bottom here?
Tough to say, because this is a flush out that I was expecting last year when we were testing that $28,000, $29,000 level. Let me put up a 2-year chart here so we can see the price action over that time period, preferably in crypto. Looks like we're a little bit stuck here. We'll have to see if I can get that back up. Nevertheless, when we were testing the $28,000, $29,000 level last year in crypto, in Bitcoin, I thought we could possibly go down to 13,000. This would give the opportunity for a lot of the institutions that are getting into the crypto sphere to get those crypto assets at lower prices. That could be what's in play here. This is a 2-year chart of the Bitcoin, and we can see we are at a major level right here. If we were to crack through this, probably going to be a quick drop to 20,000. And as I said, 13,000 is in the cards, but if we manage a liftoff here, we get some momentum, we could flirt with these levels for quite some time and eventually see liftoff, but the market would actually be healthier if there were that capitulation event. So not only in stocks am I looking for that in some of the big guys like Apple, but also in crypto.
Jared Blikre, thanks so much.